Hey, what is up? It is your boy Will and welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel, the best place for skinny guys to gain their first 30 pounds of rock hard muscle and go from the scrawny guy to the brawny guy. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 reasons why you're still skinny, you can't gain weight, and you can't build muscle. I'm going to reveal to you the 6 reasons why, the top 6 reasons why you probably still can't put muscle onto your skinny frame. Now, before I get into the video, if you're new to this channel, this is the best place for skinny guys to get mass gain recipes, mass gain workouts, mass gain meal plans, and simple tips and tricks to bulk up fast as a skinny guy. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. You'll be getting my daily content on how to bulk up fast as a skinny guy. And if you're not new to this channel, maybe you've been a follower or subscriber of mine for a while now, make sure that after this video, you check out the first link in my description to grab your free bulking meal plan and workout to get started and start building muscle in the next 30 days. Now, let's get straight into today's video. So I'm gonna be sharing the 6 top reasons why you simply can't build muscle, you simply can't gain weight, and you've been skinny for a long time. Now, when I started my fitness journey, I was skinny for the first 4 years and I was unable to build muscle. And there are a few reasons why I was unable to build muscle. And I want to share these reasons with you today so you can avoid them and make sure that you can build muscle as fast as possible and that you don't have to be like me and wait 4 whole years until you actually see results as a skinny guy. So let me go through the 6 reasons why you're probably still skinny, you can't gain weight, and you can't build muscle. So let me just get this clear. A lot of skinny guys, they always make the one excuse and say it's their metabolism, okay? Now, we do have fast metabolisms as skinny guys, meaning we burn through our calories very, very fast, and it is more difficult for skinny guys with fast metabolisms to build muscle, to gain weight, and to build a great physique. However, this is not the primary reason why you're unable to gain weight and build muscle as a skinny guy. In fact, I've personally transformed my body, gone from 90 pounds of skin and bone to a 180 pound fitness model and built a ton of muscle. And there are plenty of other skinny guys out there who've bulked up, built a really muscular physique and a really impressive physique. So the first thing you need to get out of your head is that it is your metabolism holding you back, because that is a huge limiting belief that is really going to impact your results, and it's gonna pretty much hold you back from building any muscle in your fitness journey. So first things first, we have a fast metabolism, but that is not the main reason. I'm gonna share with you the 6 reasons right now. So the first reason why you simply can't gain weight, simply can't build muscle as a skinny guy is simply not having enough calories. Now, it seems quite obvious, it seems quite simple, but most skinny guys, they say, hey, I'm eating a lot of food, I'm eating a ton of food, I'm eating 3,000 calories, but I'm not gaining weight, I'm not seeing results, I'm not bulking up. Well, the reason is you're not eating enough calories, okay? If you're eating enough calories, it's simple energy balance, okay? If you're eating enough calories, your body is gonna say, hey, you're eating enough calories, and it's gonna start putting on muscle. It's gonna start putting on weight. The reason for that is because a lot of those calories, if you eat over your maintenance calories, and that means the calories you need to maintain your weight, those calories are going to be put to other uses, okay? The first use is pretty much putting on muscle. If you're working out, it's gonna be put into that, and also gaining more weight, okay? That's why overweight guys can gain a lot of weight, because they eat a ton of calories, okay? The secret though in building lean muscle is to work out effectively and just have enough calories so you're in a small calorie surplus, eating a little bit over your maintenance, and that's what's gonna help you bulk up and gain more weight. So the first reason why you're still skinny, you're just not eating enough calories. The first thing I would do at that point is increase your calories by 300 calories, okay? So that's provided you're already tracking your calories, tracking your macros, and you're already pretty accurate with your calories macros. You can just increase it by 300, super simple way to start gaining weight. So second reason that you're not building muscle, you're still skinny and you can't gain weight is you don't have a diet in place. Most skinny guys start out with no diet. I personally started out with no diet as well. Okay, this is one of the biggest mistakes that skinny guys make is simply trying to eat whatever and try to bulk up. So first thing that happens when you do this is a lot of the calories, okay, they're not effective calories. And what I mean by that is when you eat a lot of food, okay, and it doesn't matter what the food that's coming in, usually it's from, you know, junk food, or it's from McDonald's, okay? A lot of skinny guys, they eat a lot of junk food, and those aren't good calories because the macronutrients, the protein, carbs, and fats is way off, okay? So first of all, what's gonna happen is you're gonna eat way too many calories, okay? Because you're just stuffing your face with food, and that's gonna end up in a lot of body fat gain versus very little muscle gain. And the second thing is you're gonna eat a high ratio of fats in your diet, and that is gonna lead to even more fat gain, okay? Less muscle gain because you're probably not eating a high protein diet, and you're probably eating little carbs as well. So the biggest mistake, okay, that skinny guys make, again, is simply eating whatever they want, trying to get a great result, and it's not gonna happen. You can't get lucky with this. You need to put in the work. You need to make sure a diet is in place, okay, and follow that diet and be consistent with it, and that's what's gonna get you that lean muscle gain, help you bulk up efficiently, and build the muscle onto your frame, okay? So what diet do I suggest? There's a couple ways of doing it, okay? A lot of my clients, we use meal plans, okay? We build meal plans with the right ratios of calories, the right amount of calories, the right ratio of protein, carbs, and fats to maximize muscle gain and to minimize fat gain, okay? So another way to do it is simply tracking your calories and macros. Again, a great way to keep in touch with what you're eating, how much you're eating, and basically once you know that you're eating a certain amount of calories, if you aren't gaining weight, all you simply do is increase those calories. So now we have something we can compare to and make adjustments with. However, if you're just eating whatever you want every single day, how are you going to adjust your calories? How are you going to find a way to actually improve things? You can't, because there's a famous saying, what gets measured, what gets measured gets measured, something like that, okay? I forgot the quote, but you need to make sure that you measure everything. You need to track everything, okay? And that's how you're gonna get results, okay? So that's the second tip, okay? Have a diet in place, okay? Doesn't matter what it is, but you need a proper diet strategy. So third strategy, the third reason why skinny guys simply cannot gain weight, cannot build muscle, is they don't have commitment and they don't have focus, okay? Now, if you're just partying every day, you're just drinking every day, maybe you're in high school, you're in college, maybe you go out to party and you know, you expect to get great results, it's just not gonna happen, okay? Building a physique takes hard work, okay? It takes sacrifice, it takes time, it takes effort. And if you wanna build a great physique, you're gonna have to put in work. You're gonna have to be focused, you're gonna have to be committed, and you're gonna have to follow through with your daily goals, okay? So if you're just partying, you're drinking alcohol, you're not getting enough sleep, not getting enough rest, you don't have a proper diet in place, you're not going to the gym consistently, you don't have energy for your workouts because again, you're drinking, you're not sleeping, and you expect to get great results and bulk up fast, it's just not gonna happen like that, okay? You need to be committed to your goal, all in on your goal, and focused on your goal. So for me, I get my workouts done 4 times a week, okay? Maybe 5 times a week, but I aim for 4 workouts. And the reason I can get those workouts is because, first of all, I set days on which days I want to work out. I make sure that I get my workouts in. I make sure my diet is in check. I make sure my energy levels are great. I sleep 8 hours a day. I don't drink any alcohol at all. Again, alcohol is one of those things that you can do in moderation, but it's the lifestyle and it's the commitment and it's the focus that gets me results and allows me to go from scrawny to brawny. And if you can't commit, if you can't focus on your goals of bulking up and building muscle and building that dream physique, you will not achieve it, okay? You need to be focused and you need to be committed to your goal, okay? So that is the third reason why most skinny guys don't get results. They're just not committed, they're not focused, and they're not serious about things, okay? So that leads me to the fourth point. Most skinny guys don't get results because they're not committed, they're not focused, and they have a poor lifestyle, okay? Lifestyle is really important, and it's something you never think about when it comes to getting results as a skinny guy. If you have a poor lifestyle, you're partying, you're drinking, you're not following your diet, you're not training properly, you're not training consistently, and you're consistently not doing the right things, you're not gonna get the right results, okay? So you need to be committed, you need to have a healthy lifestyle, and when it comes down to it, this is a lifestyle thing. This is not something you do for a day and you just transform your body in a day. You need to commit to this lifestyle. I've been personally doing this for over 7 years now. So you need to commit to the goal. You need to see a vision for yourself as that buff, confident guy, and you need to make it a lifestyle, okay? Eating healthy is a lifestyle. Training and working out is a lifestyle. Getting enough sleep is a lifestyle. Drinking tons of water every day is a lifestyle. You need to make it a healthy lifestyle, and that's ultimately going to transform your body. So the fifth reason why most skinny guys never get results and stay skinny is because they're not getting stronger on their lifts, okay? Again, this comes back to lifestyle. If you're eating wrong, if you're not eating right, not following your diet, not getting enough sleep, not drinking enough water, you're not gonna be able to push out the weight in the gym, okay? So first of all, make sure you tidy up your lifestyle so you can finally push out that weight in the gym. You feel that energy, you feel that motivation every day, okay? Those lifestyle changes are gonna allow you to build more muscle as a skinny guy. So first you gotta work on yourself, improve your lifestyle, and really focus and commit on your goals, and then get stronger on your exercises and your lifts, okay? And you gotta do that consistently, and that's what's gonna get you ultimately to your goal, help you bulk up from scrawny to brawny. And the last one is focusing too much on isolation exercises. So a lot of skinny guys, they go into the gym, like myself, I went into the gym and I just focused on doing dumbbell curls. But dumbbell curls aren't gonna build you mass all around, okay? If you wanna build mass fast as a skinny guy and bulk up as fast as possible, you simply focus on compound exercises, okay, in the gym, and you get stronger on those lifts. That's gonna build you your base foundation of muscle, okay? Deadlifts, squats, bench press, shoulder press, okay? All these exercises are gonna help you build muscle fast. So you need to focus on compound lifts and then do isolation exercises on top of that. But you can't just start with isolation exercises and just do those, okay? Most skinny guys do that when they start out in the gym, and that's why they don't get effective results. So reason number 6 is they focus too much on isolation exercises and not on compound lifts, okay? Switch that around and you will start getting results. So I wanted to add in another little bonus on why skinny guys are unable to build muscle, unable to gain weight and stay skinny, okay? And the bonus is they're simply not giving it enough time, okay? It takes time to build a great physique, okay? There's a famous saying, Rome wasn't built in a day. I know it's cheesy, but it's real, okay? If you wanna build something that most people don't have, which is a muscular head-turning physique, it's gonna take time to build. So you need to give it a good amount of time and be consistent with your goals, be patient, and you will start to build a great physique, okay? But you need to give it time. So I hope this helped you. I hope this really opened your eyes into the main reasons why skinny guys are unable to bulk up, unable to gain weight, and I want you to avoid these mistakes so you can get results, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to click the link down below to get your free bulking meal plan and workout to get started in the next 30 days, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.